Hi UKG, welcome to your GK class. Let's learn today what animals eat. So today we are going to learn and write the names of animals and their food names. So like humans, we love to eat vegetables, fruits. Same way, animals also eat different food. Let's see. This is the picture of an elephant. And do you know what elephant loves to eat? It's sugarcane. 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 Elephants eat sugarcane. They love to eat sugarcane. Next one. This is a picture of a rabbit. Now what they love? Let's see. You're correct. It's carrot. Rabbit loves to eat carrot. Carrot. Let's see the next one. It's a picture of a lion. Lion. And lion loves to eat meat. 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 Okay? Let's see the next picture. Picture of a dog. And what they eat? They like bones. They like bones. B-O-N-E-S. Bones. Okay? Now let's get into the next picture. Here's the picture of a rat. And they love cheese. They love cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Okay, children? Let's see the last picture. Picture of a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. They jump from one tree to the other tree. And they love to eat banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Okay? So we have learned few names of animals and their food. Now let's write it down in our CW copy. Write the heading animals, what they eat and today's date. After writing this, copy this down. Elephant, sugarcane, rabbit, carrot, dog, bone, lion, meat, rat, cheese and monkey, it's banana. So write it down with correct spelling in your GKCW copy. Today, till this much. We will meet again in the next class with a new topic. Take care. Bye-bye.